you guys doing? What's up, my people? Hi besties, this is Xoxo. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Today I have my beautiful gorgeous friend with me and I want to do my facials. Yes, I know many of you have not seen me like this, but yeah, some days we're like this. Fine girl. Okay, yeah, I'm always excited when I see her, right? We vibe. So yes, today we want to do our facials and it's very interesting thing to do. As you all know, my page is all about skincare, makeup, your lifestyle, healthy living and all of it. So I'm going to be doing my facials in my house, and my friend who is also a skincare therapist and artisan, at the same time a chef. I met her where we went to skincare school, and she's been amazing. My gist partner, I'm a partner in class. Yes, and she's one of the best. So today we're doing our facial. She do my facial, I do her facials, and that's how we've been doing it. It is very important for you to do your facial monthly. So I'm going to allow Mrs. Chef Itonwa, by the way, to speak more, enlighten you guys more about the benefits of doing your facials and everything. And also, like I said, she's a chef. It's 2023. As a lady, please double up on your income. Multiple streams of income is allowed. You're allowed to be anything you want to be, as long as you love what you're doing, you're passionate about it. Okay, so meet Chef Itonwa. How you guys doing? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Welcome to my
channel,
to my world, actually.
Thank you. Hello guys.
So yes, Chef Itonwa, how you doing?
I'm fine.
How's work, family?
Work is excellent. Family is beautiful.
Okay. So yeah, what are the benefits of facials?
Okay. I was talking on facials. What does facial means, or what does facials encapsulate? Now, facials is a skin procedure, a skincare procedure that we do. Now, facials involve cleansing, toning, extracting, applying masks. In general, in facials, either you are rejuvenating, you are hydrating, or you are rebalancing. That is what. And how we know what to do is when we do your skin analysis. That is a procedure we do during facials. That is when we know what to do, whether we are rebalancing, whether we are hydrating, or whether we are rejuvenating.
Yes, and as you know, in this channel, I always talk about, I'm always particular about your skin type. Yeah. Know your skin type. So if you don't know your skin type yet, during the facial, you can tell your artisan or the skincare therapist that you have analysis on it, and your type of skin noted to you, or you definitely get to know your skin type or your skin condition or issue or whatever you have. So yes, so it's very important to have your facials done. Your skincare routine is important. It opens up your pores and allows your product to work better. Anything more to say?
Anyway, let me talk about, like she said, knowing your skin type. It is very important. For example, me and her, we are friends, but we don't use the same products because we have different skin type. I mean, this product, I might say, oh, this product is really nice on my body. I'm really glowing. If she uses it, nothing will happen. That's what happened to a lot of people. And let me tell you guys, you don't need to glow on a very expensive budget. No, you don't need to. Like I always tell people, whenever I'm analyzing or I'm recommending product, I always ask them, what is your budget? I want something that you can use, that maybe when you are broke, you can still afford it. You don't do the one that tomorrow you are not borrowing up and down.
Like my previous video, I talked about, you know, bar soaps that really will even brighten your skin tone, and they are under 1,000, 1,500. So you don't really have to do the whole high-end products for you to be efficient and effective on your skin. You just need to know your skin type, what your skin issues are, what you want. And like I always say on my channel too, that is not by you lightening up or trying to do a sharp glowing on. It's as long as you're having a youthful skin, a healthy skin, and an even toned skin, then you are good to go. That's because people now they just want to bleach, and that's why we have the organics. They are cashing out on a daily basis. Skin cancer is
on the rise,
and then you want to age gracefully, like our like Madam Zay always say, you want to age gracefully. You don't want to age with sickness, you don't want to age with skin cancer and having issues. Okay, so yes, I'm going to show you guys how to do how we do our facials in my house. Yes. So stay tuned and enjoy the Yes, hi everyone, we are done with our facials. As you can see, we're glowing. So yes, after you're done with your facials, there's what some people call aftercare. So it's on aftercare.
Okay, like I always say, we have our aftercare for facials. And my sister, if you don't adhere to our facial care, you end up in premium tears, and I don't want you to do that. So now, for example, as we finish our facial, we are not supposed to be touching our face anyhow.
Too much exposure to sun.
No,
you have to wear your cap, your sunglass,
exactly.
And then you are not washing your face.
Don't try it, don't try it.
I know some people always come, some clients will always complain, how will I not wash my face? Okay, so what we advise is you just use only water and you're not scrubbing, no soap. For some people, after doing your facials, the next thing they go home and they're using sponge and plenty soap. You're not supposed to at all, because you're already, your pores are already open. A lot of treatments have gone in, your serums, your oil, your everything. So you want that thing to really work, and it takes 24 hours for your pores to not really get back to itself. So it is a no for you to scrub your face after your facials. You're washing your face with soap at all is till the next day morning.
Yes, and please note, for your makeup products, it's after 48 hours.
No makeup products on
like I can give an illustration. I knew somebody that I did facials for her. She decided to start touching her face anyhow, and I think she had more acne come out, and she wasn't supposed to do that. So when we give you aftercare, you have to adhere strictly to it. For you
it is very difficult for people to just listen. They are hearing you, but they are not even paying attention or assimilating anything, and they come back. In Monday after my facials, I have outbreak, I have pimples, and they will say you're not doing well. Well, did you adhere to the after facial care? If you do that, then you have no issues. And then product applications matters a lot. I'm going to be doing a very detailed video with Chef Itoa on how to apply your products properly, your morning routine, your night routine, a right amount, if you're using tetinoid or whatever serums. So it's really important. So you're not using too much products and you're not using little products. Both ways matters a lot.
And what we are going to teach you actually will help you to save your product.
Yeah.
Some of you guys, the way you use your product as if it's fight waiting, you'll be surprised that a drop of some product, what they will do, it's still the same thing, those plenty. So why are you wasting your money?
I think you're not irritating your skin.
Yes, sometimes right. If you notice when I was that one, it was perfect. Please, you guys should adhere to that.
Alright, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for enjoying our time. We love you guys. See you guys in our next video.